If you're a dentist in California, you're not just competing with other clinics, you're competing for local visibility online. And in 2025, that means mastering local SEO. Let's break down how local SEO can help your dental practice attract more patients and show up where it matters most on Google Maps and local search results. 1. What is local SEO for dentists? Local SEO is about optimizing your online presence so that nearby patients can find you easily. When someone searches best dentist near me or dental implants in Los Angeles, Google shows the top 3 listings in the local pack. That's where you want your practice to appear. Your goal? Make sure your clinic is part of that top 3 map listing every time. 2. Why local SEO matters in California. California is one of the most competitive dental markets in the US, with thousands of clinics fighting for attention. Patients today don't browse directories, they search online, read reviews, and book appointments directly from Google. If your practice doesn't appear in those searches, you're invisible to 90% of your potential patients. 3. Optimize your Google business profile. Your Google business profile, previously Google My Business, is your digital front door. Fill out every detail: address, phone number, website, and working hours. At high-quality clinic and staff photos encourage patients to leave genuine reviews. Pro tip: reply to every review, even the negative ones. It signals engagement and builds trust with potential patients. 4. Website optimization for local reach. Don't stop at your Google listing. Your website should also target local keywords like family dentist in San Diego, emergency dental care in Sacramento. Include your clinic's NAP, name, address, phone consistently across your website and other online listings. Add location pages if you serve multiple cities or neighborhoods. It helps Google know exactly where you operate. 5. Local citations and directories. Make sure your dental practice appears on trusted local directories like Yelp, HealthGrades, ZocDoc, and Yellow Pages. Consistency is key. Your contact details must match exactly everywhere. Even a small typo or mismatch can hurt your ranking. 6. Mobile optimization. More than 80% of dental-related searches in California come from smartphones. If your website isn't fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate, patients will move on to your competitors instantly. 7. Leverage local content. Create blog posts that target local interests, like how to choose a dentist in Orange County, top 5 teeth whitening options in San Francisco. These not only improve your ranking but also establish you as the local expert. 8. Reviews equals ranking power. Reviews are one of the top ranking factors for local SEO. Encourage happy patients to leave reviews right after their appointment. Tip: add a short link or QR code at your front desk to make it easier for patients to post feedback. 9. Track and improve. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to see what's driving local traffic. Track keywords, phone calls, and directions requests to measure what's working and double down on that. 10. Final thoughts. For California dentists, local SEO isn't optional anymore. It's the difference between a full waiting room and an empty one. So if you want to appear in top map results, get more local calls and appointments, build trust through reviews, it's time to invest in a solid local SEO strategy. At IndeedSEO, we specialize in helping dental clinics across California rank higher and attract more local patients through smart SEO strategies. Want your practice to be the first one patients find? Visit IndeedSEO.com and let's make your clinic the local favorite online and offline.